You run a service business. You're probably juggling a million things right now: appointments, estimates, invoices, customer management. And then there's your website. It's supposed to be your digital storefront, right? But is it actually working for you? Is it bringing in new customers? Or is it just another thing on your to-do list? Let's talk about Housecall Pro. You've probably heard of it, right? It's that popular software that helps you manage your business. But here's the burning question. Does Housecall Pro integrate with your website? I know. You're thinking, duh, of course it does. But hold on, let's break this down. Because it's not just about integration. It's about seamless integration. Something that actually saves you time and makes your life easier. Imagine this. A potential customer finds your website. They're impressed with your services, your prices, maybe they even read those glowing reviews. They want to book an appointment. But then, they're faced with a clunky online form, or worse, they have to call you during business hours. How many potential customers do you think you're losing right there? Now, imagine this. That same potential customer lands on your website. They're impressed as before. But this time, they see a simple, clear booking button. With a few clicks, they've scheduled an appointment, and their information is automatically synced with your Housecall Pro. No double entry, no manual scheduling. Just smooth sailing. That's the power of a truly integrated website and software. It's not just about having both tools. It's about how they work together to streamline your operations. So, does Housecall Pro integrate with a website? Yes, it can. But the real question is, does it integrate seamlessly with a website designed to convert visitors into customers? That's where the magic happens. We'll dive deeper into this in future videos. We'll talk about the specific features you should look for in a Housecall Pro integrated website, how to choose the right platform, and even some tips on optimizing your website for conversions. But for now, let's just say this. A website that doesn't play nice with your business software is like a car without an engine. It looks pretty, but it doesn't get you anywhere. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.